Hey y'all, today I'm making a quick and easy no-bake dessert. This is a 12-ounce bag of semi-sweet chocolate chips, adding 1 cup of peanut butter. And then this is gonna go into a microwave for about a minute just to melt everything together. Once it comes out of the microwave, give everything a good stir. 2 packets of ramen noodles go right inside. Breaking these up. Ramen is such a versatile ingredient. I love that you guys have like figured out how to use it as your desserts. Like my shirt, by the way. Once that's all mixed together, we take a bag of mini marshmallows. Just add like half. Get a scoop. Just pop it right on a sheet pan. And then these clusters go into a fridge for about half an hour or so just to set up. White baking chips that I popped in the microwave for about a minute. And stir that up with a fork as a drizzle. I'm gonna take this one and give this a bite. It tastes like Rocky Road candy. It's so good.